Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add money on Coinbase. So let's start. So what you want to do, there are multiple ways how you can do it. You're here in Coinbase, you click on portfolio, and then you're going to see your assets here. You will see your own asset as your own currency here, and you simply click on it, and now you can simply deposit. And now you just add your bank name. So full name on account, 50 euro, and click continue. Reference number. With this code, we cannot deposit free funds in the account. So I copy it, continue. And what we have to do then is to simply add this reference number, or recipient's IBAN, and fill everything here and then send it with the code you had before. You can also, I recommend, if you didn't register from Coinbase yet, you can use the link down below in the description and get $10. You can do this later. Or the second way how you can easily add, you can straight away buy Bitcoin. So what you can do is when you're going to be on Bitcoin, use Bitcoin and now pay with, and you can simply add your credit card, or you can simply add a payment method, credit debit card. You add it right here, and then you click here buy Bitcoin. Right, so I want to go with 50, pay with your wallet, preview buy, and then you can simply buy it. So this is how you can simply do it, and this is how you can add money to your Coinbase account. If this video was helpful, I'll be really happy if you support me and subscribe. I love making tutorials and creating them. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.